If you're even thinking about trying FlashGPT AI, you'll want to hear these 7 crucial things first, especially the one at the end that might save you hours of frustration. FlashGPT just dropped, and it's already getting attention for being one of the smartest, fastest AI tools of 2025. You can test it completely free using the first link below. No card needed, no strings attached. Now here's why FlashGPT might actually be the best just released AI software right now. First, it's ridiculously fast. We're talking real-time generation that feels almost like having a trained copywriter, designer, and coder all in one tab. It's powered by a fine-tuned model built on GPT-4 Turbo architecture, but optimized for shorter latency and task-specific workflows. What makes it stand out is how it guides you through prompts. You're not left guessing what to type. FlashGPT gives suggestions, templates, and adjusts based on your goal, whether that's writing emails, building landing pages, or summarizing long documents instantly. For digital marketers, this is a dream. You can pump out entire campaigns with consistent tone and conversion-driven copy in minutes. FlashGPT also integrates directly with Chrome, Notion, and even Google Sheets. And yes, those integrations actually work without breaking. That saves you from jumping between tabs or copying and pasting endlessly. If you've used ChatGPT or Jasper before, this feels like they finally fixed all the things those tools still struggle with. The UI is clean, minimal, and surprisingly beginner-friendly. But here's a pro tip. The magic really happens when you start training your own custom brain inside FlashGPT. It lets you upload files, brand voice examples, and even competitor websites. Then generates content that feels like it was written by you. That's huge if you're trying to stay consistent across multiple brands or clients. It's also not just a writing tool. FlashGPT comes with voice-to-text features, document summarizers, and AI search that outperforms even some premium tools I've paid for. But here's the kicker. The pricing after the free trial is actually fair. No inflated nonsense. You pay for what you use, and the free tier is more generous than most. One thing to keep in mind, FlashGPT is still new, so you may run into minor bugs, but updates are rolling out weekly, and the team is incredibly responsive. That gives me confidence they're building something sustainable, not just a hype-driven launch. And here's the big one. FlashGPT has a built-in AI agent system, letting you create and chain multiple AIs to complete multi-step workflows. Think, AI that builds the outline, writes the post, creates the SEO meta, and schedules it on your CMS. Automatically. If you want to see how that works in real time, or how I use it to speed up client projects, let me know in the comments. But if you're even slightly curious, try FlashGPT for free from the link below. And before you go, I've tested literally thousands of AI tools over the past 2 years, and I've listed my top picks for 2025 in the description. All of them are free to try. Check them out and see which one fits your workflow best.